Hello everyone. I've got a few comments on my previous video showing how to fix your landing bay doors, and there were some people asking if I could take it apart and then show how to install properly. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Well, I've opened the landing bay doors and now I'm going to remove them completely. I hope so. I will start by removing the screws that hold the side panels. Okay, I'm going to remove this side panel. All right, then let's move to this part. I think that's loose, so let's remove this panel. Like that, I've got both panels removed now. So the next step would be to remove those pistons from the door. So that's one of them. Then there's the other one. So now they're both loose. So now I can remove the landing bay doors. So I'm going to do that. I hope you see that. So this is one. This is the one on the right side, and then I'm going to do the left one to remove the left one as well. Let me see, how can I do this easily? So here they are. Put this away for a moment. Okay, so now I hope you now can see what's going on here. So this is the hinge, and this is what I was talking in my previous video yesterday, that there's a side that is like straight, which is this one, and there's one that is a little bit bent forwards, and the one that has these forward bend should be placed towards the front of the airplane. And here the exact same thing. So there's this one which is, well, more or less there is a little bit bent, but it's less than this one. So this one that flares out should be in the front. And if you have a look like now, you see that the bend here, it's also existent here and points towards the rear of the aircraft. So this is how you should install the hinges. Yeah, so actually I can take these completely apart as well if you want to see that. So now we can start from zero. I'm going to assemble them again. Here's the first one. And here's the other one. Okay. And this also gives me the opportunity to lubricate those ball joints a little bit. So I've got my grease, which I'm doing with it. Okay, like that. I will do the same here. All right. Okay, so now getting them back in place. So I will start with let me check this one, which goes here. Like that. And then I'm going to, from the upper side, I'm going to put this back in place. Okay, so tighten those two screws. So put the other screw in place as well. Okay, so this one is now fixed in place. The only thing that still needs to be done is to insert this here, which is done now, and we'll do the same with the other. Which goes like this. Then the hinge goes over that. Little tab here, like that. Then I'm going to put this in place, and then also put the screws back. That's one. And this is number 2. Yeah, they're tight now. All right. So now I'm going to put this small piston back in place. This ball joint. Let me do that like quickly. Yeah, so it went in. So now it's assembled back again as it was. So I'm going to test it. Okay, so I think it's this one. Here we go. Still the exact same result also after disassembling it and assembling it again. It looks good. It looks very good. Well, there are some, if you want, you can adjust it, but it will, each time it will close in the same exact position. This is just to, it's not strong. The motor, it seems that the motor is not strong enough to open it, but gravity will do it. So once open, put it back here, and then I will close it again to show you once more. There we go. And it's closed again. So you can adjust it a little bit, but it does close properly when the hinges are installed like that. So yeah, I hope this video helps you more than the previous one did, in which I didn't disassemble it. Now I did it, so you have seen how to put it together in the right way, as I think it was meant by the designers of this model. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my videos, and have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye bye.